Car corner pace vehicle to the infield, ready to go. Final preliminary of the night. Sean Rickelman to the lead off of 2. Rudolph about spun it in turn 1, but he's at the back. Brockman and Jackson come together. Stevenson peeking to the inside of the 13. Top 4 get away. Finstead taking a look to the bottom side of Bridges. Up the hill goes Rickelman. Here comes Schinderling. Remember, they were right next to each other in the heat earlier, and they got together. Will they stay off each other this time? Top 4 trying to get away. Bart Brockman trying to race on up there and get to him. Be a quarter of the way home this time by. 3 scored, 9 to go for your leader, Sean Rickelman. Finstead trying to get to Bridges. Can't quite get there. Now Schinderling loses track of Rickelman. Rickelman up the hill again. Halfway next time by in your last chance race for the Midwest Compact Dash Series. Bridges, whoa, who's losing? Is it Schinderling or is it Bridges? I think Schinderling let off. He did. He's got problems. Finstead to second. Oh, look out. She goes kablooey. Richie Schinderling pulls it to the infield. It's a hot one. I think he's just going to wheel her on into the pits. So you might want to, yeah, just stop it. Just stop it. We'll put it out. We'll put it out. I didn't know if he was going to just drive right in the pits or not. Red light out momentarily to get to Richie Schinderling. Get the fire put, man, that thing. They come down the front stretch, and they slowed up a little bit. And I couldn't tell if it was Bridges in the 29 that slowed or if he slowed down because there was a problem on Schinderling's car. Turns out that 78 was letting go, and that's all she wrote. See how much stuff is down. I don't see a lot of fluid. Maybe I'm wrong. Side of the track. Lights are out on the pace vehicle. To the infield it goes. 6 to go in your last chance race for the Midwest Dash Cars. The Midwest Compact Dash Touring Cars coming back to you. Rickelman up the hill. The door is open. Here comes Finstead. They get close. Finstead tries to take the line away. Tim Finstead to the lead in 33. Rickelman will dive it to the bottom. He never touched him. Now he does. Finstead gets away. 4 laps to go for Tim Finstead, your leader in 33, trying to stay ahead of Sean Rickelman, whose cage has been rattled just a little bit. Then it's Bridges and it's Brockman in the top 4 where they need to be. It'll be 2 laps to go this time by for Tim Finstead in the 33. Top 4 are in if they just stay where they are. Oh, loose wheel, look out, holy cow. Red flag temporarily, all stop. Bart Brockman threw the right front off, and that thing was sky high over in turn 4. Should be able to get it back going under yellow here momentarily, but as is the case most times when a wheel flies off, we quickly go red flag. And that, of course, Bart was coming off of turn 4, and that thing came forward off the car into the wall off of 4, and that thing was higher than the catch fence, I believe, at its peak over there in the 4th corner. Tim Finstead, your leader. They picked and choosed on the cone. 3 to the top, 3 to the bottom. Coming back to green. Instead of the whole shot in the corner, takes to leave it, then Bridges battles back. Rickelman 3rd, Stevenson slips into 4th in a 13 car. White flag coming, 1 lap to go for Tim Finstead. Rickelman noses back to second in the 01. He and Bridges will go at it for second. Stevenson in that fourth spot where he wants to be. Rudolph and Jackson battle back behind. Checkered flag in the air for Tim Finstad. So Roger Stevenson slips into fourth at the final bell in car number 13. Third spot goes to car number 29, Todd Bridges. Runner-up position goes to the 01 car is Sean Rickelman. And your winner of the last chance race of the Midwest Compact Dash Series is car number 33, making the trip to Rockford Speedway from Poynette, Wisconsin. How about a nice hand for Tim Finstad? Preliminary races in the books. It is feature time on Short Track Saturday night here at the Rockford Speedway as part of the 54th National Short Track Championships.